Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your crypto trading with Robinhood easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Robinhood app or website and log into your account. Ensure your account is fully set up and verified for trading. Once logged in, navigate to the trade section. Select crypto from the available trading options. Browse the list of cryptocurrencies available for trading. Choose a cryptocurrency that interests you or aligns with your investment strategy. Tap on the cryptocurrency to view more detailed information and charts. Review its historical performance and current market trends. Set a budget for how much you want to invest in that cryptocurrency. Tap the buy button when you're ready to make a purchase. Enter the amount you wish to buy, either in dollars or in coins. Review the order summary to ensure everything looks correct. Confirm the purchase by tapping on Submit Order. Monitor your investment by returning to the crypto section regularly. Consider setting price alerts for the cryptocurrencies you are investing in. Explore Robinhood's educational resources to deepen your understanding of crypto markets. Stay updated on news and trends that could affect your investments. Use the tools available on Robinhood, such as charts and news feeds, to analyze market movements. Regularly review your portfolio and adjust your strategy as needed. Consider diversifying your crypto investments to manage risk effectively. Continue learning about different cryptocurrencies and market strategies to enhance your trading skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.